Welcome to Grow Reload. I'm Anthony, and this is my installation of the UniFi G4 doorbell. So I'm going to be doing a voiceover of what I did here. What happened was that there's a lot of background noise in this video with the train that drove by and all the cars and everything else. I live close to the road, and I'm very close to a train as well. But one thing I did have to do while you watched me taking off the doorknob was I had to install a bigger transformer. So I needed a 30 VA transformer. So it's a 16 VAC, 30 VA output transformer, so that was able to power this doorbell. I had a 10 VA, and that was just not going to cut it through their docks here. And as you can see now, I'm just undoing the wires and getting ready for the next step, and me deciding what I want to do. And then here I'm going to be putting on the back plate. So as you see here, the back plate's going to be going on, and there's a little level there, which was great support. And I put this doorbell on when I got it, and I did the unboxing of it, so that was about a month and a half ago. And here you can see me attaching their little wires. Now these little wires are very helpful helping you attach to the doorbell. However, one thing that you're not going to see me here, because I realized a little bit too late, and you'll see kind of the mistake down the road where I put the camera on a little the box to help it so it doesn't fall off this ledge here, is that the camera is needed for those little wires that have, they're bulk connectors. So there's no place for by the camera that they kind of sit into. So you actually have to drill into the siding or cut a little bit of siding out. I just, cut a little bit of the siding. It's not a huge deal to me. This siding has to be replaced at some point, so I'm going to be redoing all of this siding anyways down the road. But that's just something to bear in mind, that here while I'm drilling it in, getting it level, those little wires, because they have the bulkiness of them, are not going to sit flat behind that doorbell until you drill it out or cut it out a little bit. And now there is space to be able to do that, and I did that. Didn't take me too long to do. It's just I should have recorded it. It's just trying to get the camera not to fall down on the ground and break a $200 device I just bought. So here I am, just kind of installing it in the front of my house, drilling it in. I think it's a little bit lower than the last hole, so it won't. This plate will not match up to what your prior doorbell was if it's just a normal, push button doorbell. But this was all level. I want to make sure it was level, and then I take off the level. Once you're done, you can actually kind of stick that back on. And as you can see here, I covered up the hole a little bit where the doorbell wires are. And now you're going to have to see, I'm going to have to drill that out eventually, because as I put it on here, all you have to do, see, here's the back of the doorbell. There's really no place to put those bulky wire connectors. So this is the side that connects. I'm going to get those screwed on, and when I put it on top, I go basically, oh shoot, what did I do wrong? And that's when I realized, okay, I got to drill this out a little bit. And that's all I did, was I took a drill bit, drilled it out. This, like I said, this siding is going to be redone anyways. If I had to do it again, I may have not even connected. I had to connect those connectors. My wire isn't long enough, but I would have actually had a little space here. You see me looking at it there. I would have had a little space where those could have then been recessed better than what I did, temporary fix. So you see me kind of sliding over the box. And then this is the sound of the doorbell. So that was installing the UniFi doorbell. Pretty simple steps overall. The instructions were quite good. I didn't have any problems with them. You were able to look at them. I think that they have a video of it too, and I'll go through that in the review. I installed it about a month and a half ago, so it was good to kind of get this video done and get it out to you guys. This is the transformer that I purchased, that I put down here. Happened to be my doorbell transformers downstairs, so this is the one I got, and it was just at Home Depot. I don't remember, it was like 20 some dollars, I think, so it wasn't a huge investment. And then here is the doorbell, and this thing I do like so far. I'm liking a lot with the UDM Pro that I have. I'm gonna hopefully get a UDM Pro review out here very soon, also a review for this. Let me know if you have questions down below on the doorbell. I'll be sure to I'll try to get the answers for it for you before then, and hopefully help you make your decision on if you want to purchase it or go a different direction as well. But overall, I'm enjoying this product so far. I was surprised at how well it works. I really like that it's local to me, and not going up to the cloud and having a subscription service each time. So that was an installation of it, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching this channel and helping this channel grow and subscribing. I really appreciate it. It's great feeling having you guys support. And until next time, God bless, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.